Good morning, guys. We are at the resort and we are getting ready to go to Animal Kingdom this morning. I'm gonna do a little outfit. Ashley is situating her pins on her bag. I'll do my outfit though before we go. I'm wearing these golden black ears from Disney World. These little gold mini earrings, I think are from like Etsy or something. My little gold Mickey necklace is from Disney World. My Skyline shirt is from the Pixie Place on Etsy. And then I'm wearing these tan shorts from Target, my Hoka's, all my just standard little bracelets, and my Pascal. Are you ready for your outfit?
I think I'm ready, actually.
Okay.
I haven't gotten my skirt situated yet, but this is my outfit. This is from Etsy. These are Lulu Dupe short, Brooks, regular jewelry.
The ears, her new up ears
from yesterday, and Lululemon belt bag.
Just did Everest. She did it.
I did it.
She was scared.
I don't know why that one scares me so bad.
But she did it. Was it bad?
The
No.
backwards in the dark is bad. The backwards in the dark is bad. But once I got through that, the drop is honestly kind of fun. I go down the drop and I'm like, oh, okay, now I can enjoy this.
Yeah, so now we're headed back to meet her mom, and I'm gonna stop at the Yak and Yeti quick service and get some fried rice, because that stuff is fire. Let's ride Dinosaur. They've never rode Dinosaur before, and it's closing soon, so they're saying hello and goodbye. What did you think about Dinosaur?
I thought it was really fun. I had never been on it, and I don't know, I just kept catching myself like laughing and gasping. I thought it was really fun.
Yeah, so we are in Pandora now. We're about to ride Na'vi River Journey and Flight of Passage, and it is a wee bit sunny.
And at 12:40 we're gonna ride Flight of Passage.
Yeah, yeah. Good afternoon from Epcot. So we finished up at Animal Kingdom this afternoon. We rode Dinosaur, Flight of Passage, Na'vi River Journey. I got a Night Blossom and the Pineapple Lumpia or whatever. I'm definitely butchering how you say that. Oh my gosh, it's Moana! Anyway, we went back to the room, changed real quick. I got this at World of Disney a couple days ago at Disney Springs, and we have come to Epcot for the afternoon.
Oh,
the evening. We just did Spaceship Earth. How cute! We just did Spaceship Earth, and I think we're headed to Soarin' and to do all of that, and then we're gonna make our way around the World Showcase.
That guy just said this.
So we just rode Guardians. I've ridden a lot of times. Ashley's never rode. She chickened out the last time she was gonna ride it.
I bought a Lightning Lane the last time and I chickened out.
So, what do you think?
That was the best ride I've probably ever rode.
Was it as scary as you thought?
No, because I love Space Mountain, and not to compare it to Space Mountain, but it's like that on steroids. I don't know.
It was so good. Okay, I'm gonna check Conga off my list. That was another song that I needed and did not have, so I got 2 more songs to get and I'll have gotten all of them.